Welcome to where we bring you the latest in automotive news, reviews, and all things on two wheels. If you're passionate about motorcycles and want to stay up to date with the latest releases and insights, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let's dive right in. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting new motorcycles hitting the market in 2026, the Honda CL500. Honda has been one of the most innovative brands in the motorcycle industry for decades, and with the 2026 CL500, they've once again delivered a bike that blends style, performance, and practicality in a way that only Honda can. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting into the world of motorcycles, the CL500 is definitely a bike worth paying attention to. In today's video, we'll be breaking down everything you need to know about this stunning new machine, from its design to its performance, and everything in between. Now, before we get into the specs and features of the bike, let's take a moment to appreciate the significance of the Honda CL500. For those of you familiar with Honda's history, the CL series has its roots in the 1960s. The CL series originally began as a Scrambler-style motorcycle, bridging the gap between street and off-road capabilities. So when Honda announced the 2026 CL500, they were tapping into a rich heritage of versatility, adventure, and rugged design. The CL500 is Honda's answer to a growing demand for versatile motorcycles that can handle both urban streets and light off-road conditions. It's a middleweight bike, perfect for those who want something that isn't too big and intimidating but still offers plenty of power and excitement. So if you've been looking for a bike that's capable of handling a bit of everything from weekend getaways to city commuting, the CL500 might just be what you're looking for. Let's talk about the design of the 2026 Honda CL500, because this bike is all about making a statement. Honda has always had a knack for creating motorcycles that look good and perform even better, and the CL500 is no exception. The first thing that jumps out at you is its retro-inspired styling. Honda has kept the essence of the classic Scrambler look with a modern twist. The CL500 features a rounded minimalist headlamp that pays homage to the early Scramblers from the 60s, and a sleek fuel tank with clean lines and subtle curves. The bike's color options are simple yet effective, with classic tones like black, olive green, and a deep red, all adding to its rugged, vintage appeal. The overall proportions of the bike are perfect for the middleweight segment. It's not too big or too small, and the seat height is ideal for riders of all sizes. The narrowness of the bike also makes it easy to maneuver, which is crucial whether you're weaving through traffic or taking tight corners on a mountain road. Now, let's move on to one of the most important aspects of any motorcycle, the engine. The 2026 Honda CL500 is powered by a liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine. This engine is a modern take on the powerplants that Honda has been known for in their middleweight bikes. It offers an excellent balance of power and efficiency, making it perfect for both urban riding and weekend adventures. The 471cc engine puts out around 47 horsepower, which gives it a lively and responsive performance on the road. This is an engine that feels eager to rev, offering smooth acceleration and a solid top-end performance without feeling too aggressive. It's not as much power as you might find on larger bikes, but for a 500cc Scrambler, this is more than enough to keep things fun and exciting. Honda has paired this engine with a 6-speed transmission, offering smooth gear changes and excellent control. Whether you're commuting through traffic or out on a winding back road, the gearbox complements the engine's power band perfectly. The CL500 is built to offer a comfortable and controlled ride, whether you're on the road or venturing off the beaten path. Honda has equipped the bike with a lightweight steel frame that contributes to its nimbleness, making it feel agile and responsive on both paved and gravel surfaces. The suspension is also tuned to be both compliant and stable, with a telescopic fork up front and twin shock absorbers in the rear. On the road, the bike feels smooth and planted, but it's also capable of absorbing bumps and potholes without jarring the rider too much. If you plan on taking the CL500 off-road, you'll appreciate the suspension's ability to soak up some of the rougher terrain while still maintaining a comfortable ride. In terms of handling, the CL500 shines with its balanced geometry. Whether you're carving through corners or taking on a twisty back road, the bike holds its line well and offers precise control. The weight distribution is just right, and you'll find that it's easy to flick the bike from one side to the other. In terms of technology, the 2026 Honda CL500 brings some modern touches that make the riding experience even better. First off, Honda has integrated a full LED lighting system on the CL500. This not only adds to the bike's modern look, but also ensures better visibility on the road, particularly when riding at night or in low light conditions. The instrument cluster is another standout feature. It's a compact, yet comprehensive digital display that shows all the key information you need at a glance, such as speed, revs, fuel levels, and trip data. There's also a mode button that allows you to cycle through different riding modes, which adjusts the engine's power delivery and throttle response to suit different conditions, whether you're riding on the road in the city or taking it off-road. When it comes to safety features, Honda has not skimped. The CL500 comes standard with anti-lock braking system ABS, which is essential for maintaining control in emergency braking situations. The ABS system also helps in off-road conditions where you might be dealing with loose gravel or mud. It prevents the wheels from locking up, giving you the confidence to stop safely even when traction is compromised. Riding comfort is something that's always a top priority for Honda, and the CL500 is no exception. The bike is equipped with a comfortable, slightly padded seat that's designed to provide a good balance of support for both short trips and long rides. The seat height is relatively low, which means even riders with shorter inseams will find the bike manageable. The handlebar is positioned to offer an upright riding posture, making it comfortable for city commuting as well as longer touring rides. The footpegs are also well positioned for standing while riding off-road, making the CL500 a true scrambler in spirit. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Honda CL500 is positioned as an affordable middleweight motorcycle that offers a lot of value for the money. While the exact price can vary depending on your location, it is expected to be in the mid-$6,000 and to $7,000 in range, which is excellent for a bike with this level of performance, design, and features. When you compare the CL500 to other bikes in the same class, it becomes clear that Honda has created a machine that offers outstanding value for money. With its modern technology, comfortable ride, and off-road capabilities, the CL500 is a great investment for anyone looking for a versatile, capable motorcycle. So what do I think of the 2026 Honda CL500? Well, it's a fantastic motorcycle that strikes a perfect balance between style, performance, and practicality. Whether you're looking for a bike that can handle city streets, weekend getaways, or light off-roading, the CL500 has got you covered. Its retro-inspired design, combined with modern technology and a capable engine, makes it one of the most exciting bikes in the middleweight class. The addition of the ABS system, digital instrument cluster, and adjustable riding modes shows that Honda is keeping up with the times, while still staying true to the spirit of adventure and versatility. If you're in the market for a new bike and want something that's both fun to ride and practical enough for everyday use, the 2026 Honda CL500 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning in to today's review of the 2026 Honda CL500. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Do you think the CL500 is the perfect middleweight scrambler, or is there another bike you prefer in this category? Let's chat in the comments. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle reviews, news, and updates. Catch you in the next video. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.